Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and this steel chainsaw coming for a service, and I noticed that the bottom of the bar had got blued, but the reason for it is instead of the customer using chain oil, they've used engine oil. Now, okay, somebody says oil's oil. No, there is a slight difference between the two of them, and one of the things is that chainsaw oil is sticky, whereas engine oil isn't. And the reason for it is the chain oil sticks to the chain and it allows it to be lubricated and holds on to it all the way around. Because if you look at this chain here, can you see the discolorization all the way along there? And that's because even though oil was getting onto the chain, and as soon as it got to this part, it was being flung off because it wasn't sticky. So that's blued it up, which has softened the metal. So now I've got to re-lip it so it hasn't got an edge on it. But I'll show you the difference between chain oil and engine oil. Now this is used engine oil, and it's got muck in it. That's why it's black. And that's one of the problems with using dirty engine oil. It can block up the filter which goes through to the chain, and that way the chain will get starved of oil and it won't get lubricated. This is the chain lube, proper chain lube, and it's clean. There's no muck in it, so it's nothing to block the filter up, unless when you're topping up you knock some sawdust in there. But I'll show you this. I've got this white piece of paper as a better background. Now this is the engine oil. Now I don't know if you can see, it doesn't stick. There's nothing, no tackiness about it at all, and it just lube. The fingers will slide around past each other. Now, wipe your fingers off. This is proper chain lube, and you can see there's a tackiness, and it's still able to move around, but there's a slight little bit of resistance, but nothing really major compared to the oil. But you can see it's trying to stick to it, and that's what helps hold on to the chain to lubricate it all the way around the bar. So that's one of the reasons you use proper chain oil instead of dirty engine oil. Another way of showing the difference between these two, and that sticks, this isn't, is let's put like that and see which one drips off first. Four dirty engine oils to 3 chain oil lube. It's still thinner, but it sticks there on your finger much better. So that's the reason why you use chain lube, not engine oil, because it helps stick to your chain. So there you are folks, just a little tip. Don't use dirty engine oil for lubricating the chain, because it will cause other problems like overheating the bar and stretching the chain. I've run it up, it threw oil off the end of here, so there was all getting along the bar. But one way of checking to make sure oil is getting all the way back, when it's clean, this little section here, if there's a little dab of oil on it, you know the only way that can get oil up to it is if it's travelled all the way along the bar and thrown off of that end there, not to drip down from this end. So anyway, there you are folks. When using chainsaws, be careful. So if you like the video, hit the yes button, and until next time, take care and be safe. Bye.